What's up guys, Wizzy Plays here, back with another video, and today, probably guess what I'm playing. That's right, Broken Bones, number 4 I think, I don't know. But yeah, that's what we're going to be playing today. Ooh, look, what does that mean? I don't know what purple means. I think it got dislocated. That's good. Alright, so, I'm also with, Julanian. Subscribe to his channel, and I will give you a cookie. If you subscribe to my channel, I will give you 2 more cookies. If you subscribe twice to his channel, then I will give you 15 cookies. Ooh, I just got something. I don't know what that's called. Hammerhaged. Yeah. Yeet. So yeah, we're just gonna yeet ourselves back over here. Oh, this one's 500k. I gotta get to that. What's this? Brakes. Springs, dislocations. I really wanna go for brakes. Flight control. Let's jump height. Well, why not? And I have 2k left. What's this? Utility, whatever, I'll just spend it on that. Alright. So, well, I just spent like all my money. But, okay. So, and let's do some front flips. Boom. Oh, I got a concussion. Bam. Boom. Boom. Yeet. Yeet. I got a lot. 21,000. That's pretty good. What's that dude? Looks cool. Oh yeah. Oh great. 19,000. Oofs. Whoa, what's that? I wanna go up there. Yeet. This thing looks cool. So I'm gonna climb it. And then go kill myself. Yay! Yeet. 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 Endlessly climbing up a ladder. This is some great content here guys. Alright, I'm gonna jump off here. Oh yeah. Oof. Oh yeah, let's go down there. Come on, you can do it. Yes. And there we go. Yeet. I thought I would earn more than that. But okay. Oh, that was so good. I'm so good at this game. Oh, I should be using my powers. Darn it. And dart. I didn't land on any. I did so bad. Well, I got $24,000. That's pretty good. I just located 5 joints. Nice. And, yay! Ooh, smash on that side right there. Bam! Yes, let's go. Nice. That was pretty good. $42,000. Wow. That's a lot of breaks. Yeet. Go. It's the falling toward you. Ah, I smashed into a tree. I kind of ruined it. Only 13K. Oof. Why is there someone named Billy Bounce? Isn't that a fork knife dance? It's a pretty good run. A lot of bones. Broke 98 bones. $22,000. And I'm just gonna eat myself off this ledge. Backwards. Oh, Julanian joined the game. Yes, let's go. 38 bones? That was pretty good. I'll hit my head on this rock. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes. Hellos. Hi. 18,000. Yeet. I'm just gonna do like a triple backflip. Yeah, broke 94 bones. That's pretty good. Yes. Yeet. I'll break them bones. Smash on the rock. Oh, yes. Oh, yeah. Okay. $20,000. Goes to level 9. Yeet. Oh, nice. I got a concussion. I've never been happy to get a concussion in Roblox before. Oh, I reached level. I got $45,000. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I got hemorrhaged. $41,000. Nice. This is like my spot down here. This little thingy right here. And then go over here. Then bounce off the side. And then down to this rock. Bam. Oh, I broke 100 bones. $21,000. Yeet. Subscribe and I'll mail you a cookie. If you like and subscribe, I will mail you 3 cookies. If you like, you subscribe, and you turn on post notifications, I will mail you a chocolate bar. There you go. And yeet! Spinny, spinny, spin, spin. Bam. Yeet. I'm just gonna keep doing this until I can get the next thingy majig. Oh, fast. That was a pretty bad run. I only broke 60 bones. And I only got 17,000. Okay, 100k more to go, then I can get the next. Look at this dude. Yeet. Smash. Oh, nice. I whacked my head on that rock right there. Bam. Come on, break one more bone. Yes! I got over 100 bones. $27,000. I only got 4,000 for getting concussed. Really? Ew, this blood splattering. Oh, jeez. This man looks fabulous. He's a Coca-Cola Kylo Ren. Oh, yes. Papo Double Tubble. Greatest name of all time. Okay, right there. Smash against here. Ow. Yeet. Oh, I broke 113 bones. Wow. $23,000. Yeet. Oh, nice. I got concussion. Oh, am I gonna go in the water? Yes, I'm in the water. What this do? What the heck is that guy's avatar? Oh, I only need 3k more dollars. Yeet. I'll check out my sick tricks. Well, I got hemorrhaged. I think that means I got really hurt. That's good, because this is a game where you want to get hurt. $36,000. Okay, I'm gonna buy the next thingy. Ching. Boop. Okay. Yeet. I don't like this spot. Let's go down there. Break more bones. Yes, fall. Fall to your death. I broke more ligaments than I did bones. That's kinda sad. Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I hope you enjoyed Broken Bones, and if you like Broken Bones and you want me to do some more, then just tell me in the comments below. And, well, see you guys next time. Peace.